At Viewrail, we design, engineer, and fabricate our products right here in the US. We're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how it's all done.
The magic really starts happening when we start putting a blade into the lumber. But before we put that blade into the lumber, we have to reach into our database and grab all of the day's orders so that we can create an algorithm and utilize the resource to the best of its ability. We utilize that resource by putting all of our customers' requirements together so that we can get the absolute best yield. We've used a lot of technology to help us with that. You can see this camera that is scanning the lumber and helping us determine where best to put those saw blades, because our saws have moving blades to be able to rip the lumber to the very best of its ability. Once we've got a nice job of ripping the lumber to the right width, we run across this sortation chain, so we're sorting things out, marking the defects, and then they're going down the chop line so that they can be further chopped into the right length so that they can be usable primarily as a stair tread or possibly a handrail, a riser, a box stool, or any of the many other products that we manufacture.